Hi everyone, my name's Matt, and today I'm going to be talking about my bee biology paper topic, which was on Manuka honey. So you may be wondering what Manuka honey is, and it's a specific type of honey that's made by bees pollinating Manuka bushes, which are most commonly found in New Zealand and Australia. And it's often hailed for its presumed health benefits, including um, prevention of cancer, reducing high cholesterol, inflammation, treating diabetes, sinus infection, and gastrointestinal problems. And it's actually been used for centuries as medicine and as a supplement due to its antimicrobial properties. So going a little more into the antimicrobial properties that Manuka honey has, uh, the antimicrobial properties are caused by the presence of methyl glyoxal, which is a compound shown on the right here in this picture that contributes to the antimicrobial properties by creating a hostile environment for bacteria to thrive in. And so what makes this different from other honeys is that other honeys do actually do include methyl glyoxal just at much lower levels, and the primary antibacterial compound that other honeys include are hydrogen peroxide, which is involved in um, killing bacteria by creating free radicals. And the way that they measure the amount of methyl glyoxal in the Manuka honey is through this term called the unique Manuka factor, or UMF. And so this categorizes different honeys based on the methyl glyoxal levels in it. So for Manuka honey to be considered Manuka honey or be considered for use as a health product, it must have a UMF of at least 10. And so through my bee biology paper, I kind of wanted to address the question of if Manuka honey could be a solution to bacterial resistance to antibiotics, which through papers it's been claimed to be. And as a microbiology major, this has interested me a lot, just because that would be like a pretty huge move in the healthcare field if it actually is able to act in place of antibiotics. So looking through previous studies online, it has been found that Manuka honey has been successfully used to treat scrapes and burns through facilitating the repair of the outer skin layers. It also helps in macrophage production, which is an important part of the immune response. And it also has been found to slow cell division and reduce biofilm production, which are two important parts for bacteria to survive in a person's body. So this would help point towards the fact that it could be used as an antimicrobial. And it's also capable of damaging antibiotic resistance genes. However, in these past studies, they haven't really been able to fully treat antibiotic resistant diseases such as MRSA with only Manuka honey. So it probably would not be able to be used in place of antibiotics. But when they use it with antibiotics, so they treat someone with antibiotics and Manuka honey, they found that the Manuka honey is able to actually damage the genes involved in antibiotic resistance. So by using Manuka honey and antibiotics, you would be able to fully treat and clear some antibiotic resistant bacteria such as MRSA. Though of course, much more research needs to be done on this. It's still kind of in the early stages of research. But it seems that Manuka honey's marketing as a sort of like miracle cure for a bunch of different health ailments may just be a marketing ploy and not very factual. So here I have the citations that I used for this, and thank you for listening to my presentation.